What do we know about Elul?
Elul. Elul is our big chance to get close to Hashem.
It's time to prepare for Rosh Hashanah Yom Kippur. You become serious and you try to do whatever you can.
Elul is a month that we prepare for Judgment Day, for Yom Hadin.
Elul basically means not you better get your act together or you're going to get it. Elul is the time when the Melech comes out into the Soda. The mashal of a Melech Basoda is such a romantic one.
The month of Elul in general is a very serious month.
Elul is stressful.
Don't wait for the Elul rush, do tshuva now.
The Eibishter is coming out into the field to make sure that you know that you're welcome in the palace. And you say, but I don't know anything, but I'm not good enough, but I'm not holy, but I haven't done tshuva. And the Eibishter says, I'm not asking you to do anything, just come.
During Elul is the time the person prepares himself.
I have to look back, what have I done in the previous year, and what am I going to do in the future?
Elul is really the time to get it right.
How badly does he want you to come to the palace? If there's a doubt that maybe you won't come, he can't stand it. The nature of Rosh Hashanah Yom Kippur has to change from scary, depressing times to happy and enjoyable times.